Hello children, today in session 3 of chapter 7 circles, let me learn how to construct the circles. So here the topic is construction of circles. Construction of a circle of given radius. Now suppose here we want to construct a circle of 5 centimeter. Then first we should mark point O. One center point we have to mark. Then should take a scale here we should take a scale, then you should measure 5 centimeter on the scale. Here we should measure 5 centimeter from the scale, then keep your compass on this center and in one sweep draw the circle of 5 centimeter. Here join the center and name here A. So OA is radius equals to 5 centimeter. Thus understood? Now suppose if it is told to construct circle of 7.5 centimeter, then again you should mark one center of the circle. You can name anything. Here you can name A. It's not compulsory that center of the circle is always O. No. You can mark any alphabet. Then again with the compass take measurement of 7.5. Now this is 7.5. Now here keep your compass on point A and in one direction you have to draw a circle. See here, this is circle of centimeter 7.5. Then here let me draw a radius of the circle. See here, even radius is not compulsory that this side only you should construct. You can draw this side also and you can name it here P, whatever you want. Then here PA is 7.5 centimeters. Okay, what is PA? It is radius of the circle. This understood how to construct? Now children, when you are drawing in a notebook, here you should not rotate your book. What you should do? You should rotate your compass. You should move your compass. You should not rotate. Here mine is blackboard. I can't rotate it up board, isn't it? So keep in mind always your compass should move and not the notebook. You should not rotate you should not flip your notebook. Then let me go to exercise. Here exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Here first question, construct circles of circles with the following radii. So here first one is 2 centimeter. Then second one, it is 2.5 centimeter. Third one, it is 3.2 centimeters. And the fourth one, 3.5 centimeters. Then here first let me mark center of the circle O. Then let me measure 2 centimeters. So here this is 2 centimeter. Here keep a compass on it and measure 2 centimeter. Then keep your compass on center of the circle and draw a circle. See that compass should not move from the center of the circle. This is circle of 2 centimeter. Here let me mark this as a P. So here OP is equals to 2 centimeters. Okay, then let me mark center here A. Then measurement is 2.5. So this is 2.5. Then keep on A and draw the circle. Then mark radius, mark it B. Here AB is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Then third one is 3.2. So here from 0 you should keep your compass on 0 and should move your compass till 3.2. Then here mark center of the circle, let me name it M. Then keep your compass on center of the circle and draw the circle. Again join this mark here N. Mn is equals to 3.2 centimeters. Then let me go to next D. So here let me name it X. Told you any alphabet you can keep. Okay. So let me name it as X. And here measurement is 3.5. So this pointed part keep on 0 and extend till 3.5. Then keep your compass on center of the circle on the point and here this is the circle. Then draw a radius of this circle. Let me name it Y. So here XY is 3.5 centimeters. This understood? Then let me go to next question. Here E question is 5 questions are there. E question, it is 3.7 centimeters. So again mark here center of the circle. Let me name it C. Then it is 3.7. So keep pointed part on 0 and measure till 3.7. So here keep your compass on center of the circle and draw the circles. Then join this, name here D. CD is 3.7 centimeters. Thus understood how to construct the circles? Then let me go to second main question. Second main question, let me read. The students in the following figures have to draw circles with the given radii. So the students have placed the compasses on the scale as shown. If they have placed the compasses correctly, put right mark. If not, put wrong mark. Take correct measurements and construct the circles in your book. So here, first figure, you can see the scale. It is told 6 centimeter. You can see the scale. Here scale is there, and from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the scale given, and the compass kept. Check here for 6 centimeter. First one, it is of 6 centimeter, and compass is kept on 1 and till 6 centimeter. Check here, this compass is kept on 1. So do you feel, is it correct? No. When you keep your pointed part on 1, then check here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are measuring only 5 centimeter and not the 6. From 0 to 1, it is 1 centimeter. Okay. So you should not keep compass on 1. Where you should keep? On 0. So from 0 to 6 is 6 centimeter. From 1 if you keep, from 1 to 2 it is 1 centimeter, 2 to 3 it is 1 centimeter, 3 to 4 it is 1 centimeter. So totally we are getting only 5 centimeter. This understood? So here in box you should put wrong. Then what you should do? You should measure from here. Your compass you should keep on. So this is compass, okay? So you should keep on 0 and till 6, and this is the right way. Okay. Now let me construct the circle of 6 centimeter. Now mark here point O, then measure 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Now keep on point O and draw a circle of 6 centimeter. Are you understanding this? How to measure on the scale and what is the right direction? Now here if I write P, this OP is equals to 6 centimeter, and this you have to draw in your notebook. Then second one is 4.5 centimeter. Here again let me draw a scale. B question, it is 4.5 centimeter. So here this is this scale 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, enough. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then he has kept a compass. Check the textbook. He has kept his compass on 0, and from here till 4.5 he did. This is 4.5. Okay, so compass here kept correctly. Na? So this one is the right answer. Here you should put this is right. Now we have to construct a circle of 4.5 centimeter. If it is wrong, then again we should do correction and then we should draw a circle. But this is correct. So here let me mark a point P. Then measure 4.5 on compass. Okay. So here from 0 to 4.5. Then keep on center of the circle. Keep on this point and draw a circle of 4.5. Then mark a radius Q. Here PQ is 4.5 centimeters. This understood? Now let me go to C question. Here C question is 5 centimeter. C question is 5 centimeter. Now check the scale, how a girl has kept on the scale. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then check the compass kept on the scale. Here compass is kept on number 2. From here a compass is kept and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 7. This is marked. Is it correct? Measurement is correct, but keeping compass on a scale is wrong. Are you understanding me? The measurement took, you can take measurement like this, is correct. Measurement is correct, 5 centimeter. But where you should keep your compass? From 0. So here, this we will put wrong. Okay, now where we should keep compass? On 0 and till 5. So this is right. Here I am telling again, don't get confused. Measurement is correct. If a scale is broken, you can't see 0 on your scale. Then if you are keeping your compass from 2, then you should count correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Then only you can construct correct circle. Otherwise your circle will be wrong. So here let me construct a 5 centimeter circle. Now this is point X. Then 5 centimeter we have to construct. So let me measure 5 centimeter circle. here keep your compass on center of the circle. This is the circle of 5 centimeter. Then let me draw radius of the circle. Mark it Y. Here x, y is 5 centimeters. Then D question. Here D question is 3.3 centimeter. 3.3 centimeter. Now let me draw first scale. Now in a scale, before 0 we find some space. Okay, here some space is given, some extra space will be there. Girl, what she did, she took her compass and she measured from here to here. So this is wrong. From 0 you should keep. She did from the extra space given until 3.3. So this method is wrong. Okay, what you should do, from 0 you should keep and it should come till 3.3. This understood? This is the right way. Then let me construct a circle of 3.3 centimeter and let me name it A. Then measure 3.3, keep on 0 and 3.3. Keep on center of the circle and here a circle is drawn of the radius 3.3. Then join AB. Here AB is 3.3 centimeters. This understood? Then let me go to third main question. Here third main question, what it says, mark a point O with O as a center, draw circles with radii 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So let me name them A, B, C, D, E. Third main question, mark a point O with O as a center, with O as a center, draw circles with radii 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Now here only one point O we have to mark. From this center we have to draw different circles. Now here first circle is of 2 centimeter. So keep your compass on the scale and measure 2 centimeter. Then keep this 2 centimeter on the center of the circle and draw a circle. Now this is 2 centimeter. Next one, measure 3 centimeter measure 3 centimeter with the same center O. Construct circle of here keep compass on center of the circle and draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Then next one is of 4 centimeter. 2 centimeter we did, 3 centimeter also completed. Then let me go to 4 centimeter. So from 0 you should take measurement till 4 centimeter. Then again on the same figure with O as a center, so this is the circle of 4 centimeter. Then we should go to 5 centimeter. So again keep compass on 0 and extend till 5 centimeter. Then keep on same point O and this is the circle of 5 centimeter. Then last one is 6 centimeter. So here keep on O and till 6 centimeter. Keep again on O and with the same center again a circle is drawn. Should be very careful while constructing the circles. You should see that compass should not move from the center of the circle, otherwise you won't get a proper circle. Now let me find the radius. Here one, this is another one, here third one, 4 and 5. So here let me name OA, OB, OC, OD and OE. Here OA is 2 centimeter, OB is 3 centimeters, then OC is 4 centimeters, OD is 5 centimeters and last OE is 6 centimeters. Now here you can observe these circles are parallel to each other. They are not intersecting each other. Okay, they are parallel to each other. They are called parallel circles, or the other name is concentric circles, that you will learn again in your higher classes. But here when we are drawing such circles, let me tell you the name of such specific circles. They are called parallel circles or concentric circles. Circles having the same center and different radii. Here circles having same center and different radii. They are called concentric circles, or we call them parallel circles. Thus understood, the name of such circles are concentric circles. They are concentric circles, or we call them parallel circles. So here in this session we learnt construction of circles. Here you should keep your compass properly on the scale. You should take a proper measurement. Your measurement should start from 0. not before 0 or not after 0. It should start from 0 and should take a proper measurement, should keep a compass on center of the circle marked on the paper and should draw a circle in one sweep. Here again and again you should not repeat the line. In one sweep you should draw the circle, and still one thing, you should not rotate your book to draw the circles. Okay children, have a good day.